Now this is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup that me and my sister are in the process of restoring. And today I want to take a little bit of time to talk about removing the radiator mounting bracket on this parts truck that we have. The bracket mounts on both sides to the fenders. On the passenger side here we've got the fender removed, and there are actually 4 mounting points, one here at the top, one just a little bit down. There's the third mount there, and then the fourth mounting point is down at the bottom there. And then as you move to the center of the mounting bracket, there is a large bolt that mounted the bracket to the frame underneath there. You can see that large spring. And it's kind of a shock mitigation system used for the radiator mounting bracket. And then moving over to the other side where we still have the fender attached, you can further see how this radiator mounting bracket matches up to the fender. There's a top mount. And underneath here you can see in this little alcove there's a second one, and then here's the third mounting point, and then at the bottom is the fourth mounting point. So if you remove all 8 mounting bolts and that bracket and that bolt in the middle, then the bracket should just be able to come up right off of the truck. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.